Oregano oil is far more superior than prescription antibiotics, without the side effects. Oregano oil benefits are proving to be superior to some antibiotics, without the harmful side effects. Most medical doctors love prescribing antibiotics to just about anyone who walks through their doors. Unfortunately, most of the antibiotics prescribed come with debilitating side effects, such as destroying good gut bacteria, which kills the immune system, causing antibiotic resistance, reducing vitamin absorption, and damaging the lining of the digestive tract, leading to leaky gut. Fortunately, you, or your child, doesn't need to go through the same madness that I did when younger. Now, there is an incredible natural alternative to prescription antibiotics, and that alternative is oregano oil, or oil of oregano. Oregano oil benefits. Oregano oil is derived from the flowers and leaves of the wild oregano plant. It is an incredibly powerful antimicrobial that fights infections to the death. It has a wide range of health benefits, which can be attributed to its antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties. It has the highest content of phenols, natural phytochemical compounds, that have high antioxidant activities, among all aromatic plants. The two most abundant phenols in oregano oil are thymol and carvacrol, although carvacrol is arguably the most potent constituent of oregano oil. Over 800 studies reference carvacrol in PubMed, which proves that this oil provides some whopping healing potential. It has been found to possess strong fungicide and antiseptic properties that kill a wide variety of pathogens by breaking through the cell membranes of disease-causing microbes. This allows the body to repair and heal cells and tissue damage, as well as boost the immune system and neutralize free radicals. Carvacrol has been proven to reverse or reduce bacterial infections, Streptococcus, Haemophilus, Staphylococcus, Mycobacterium, E. coli, Proteus, Chlamydia, Mycoplasma and even MRSA. Tumors, cervical, breast, leukemia, lung and colon. Allergies, food poisoning, Salmonella, Listeria, Campylobacter, Shigella, botulism, norovirus, Candida, bacterial vaginosis, Candida albicans. Inflammation, fungal infections, viruses, parasites, giardiasis, flatworms, tapeworms and ringworms. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food looked into the antibacterial activity of oregano oil against 5 different types of bad bacteria. They found significant antibacterial properties within oregano oil that made it effective against all 5 species. The highest activity was observed against E. coli, suggesting that oregano oil should be used to prevent food poisoning and improve gastrointestinal health. Hundreds of other studies, just like this, have proven the effects of oregano oil against bacterial infections, viral infections, fungal infections, parasites, inflammation, and cancer. How to use oregano oil? Below are methods of using oregano oil for different ailments: nasal congestion and lung infections. Add 2 to 3 drops to a diffuser or vaporizer, and inhale deeply. Sore throat. Add 2 to 3 drops in a glass of water and drink. Acne, cold sores, nail fungus, shingles, or psoriasis. Mix 1 to 2 drops to a small capful of coconut oil or aloe vera gel, and apply on skin. Don't use on broken or sensitive skin. Aches, sore muscles, and backaches. Mix same parts of oregano oil and organic olive oil and rub into sore muscles. Immune system booster. Add 3 to 4 drops in a glass of water and drink 2 to 3 times a day before meals. Bad breath. Add 1 drop oregano oil to your toothbrush with toothpaste to kill bad bacteria that cause bad breath.